SERV stock is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm also covering my SERV robotic stock analysis and price predictions, so watch this short video till the end. So with SERV, SERV 9.19%. This is $9.19 is where we're sitting at. The previous video that I made was super simple and it just pretty much got straight to the point, and then now it's delivering. So had two scenarios. Let me show you actually, instead of telling you, let me show. The video was made like this. This was made 23 hours ago at 4:54 p.m. right after post market.
If it comes inside the demand zone and gives a double break, you know, so it's going to be interesting because I think
it's still like what I meant. We're pretty much having this. This is a great idea, and honestly, I would not do anything right now. More like than not, we're honestly, like, just from experience, might do something like this, but because this is already running here now, I'm just gonna let it be risk-free. Let's go, you know. Wasn't here to really get a double break that I always talk about, but yeah. If you want to learn the strategy for free, check the first link in the description. Literally all the reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one.